Hi, good morning everyone. Today I want to show you people selling that type of sensors on eBay, and this is a common problem in Mercedes AB class 722793896. The code's coming, and they're saying is the problem is in these two sensors, but not the problem is in the sensor. The problem is inside the ECU. If you change the sensor, is gonna more problem because the resistance of Chinese sensor is totally different and is not gonna be fixed again that ECU. Better you need to bring the ECU to us or bring the car. We're gonna repair it in 3 hours. So don't spend the money only just 40 to 50 pound and you can't fix that ECU, because this is not the problem of in the sensors. They only just selling the sensor, they want to make money. So I request you, don't buy it, don't buy it, don't buy it, because it's not gonna work. You need to bring the car. I have a phone number 0740253638. You can check my on other videos. We're gonna fix it in 3 hours. That ECU is a common problem, so it's come with the warranty on there. So make sure don't buy these sensors. I am telling you, people say putting the ads on the eBay and YouTube how you can change the sensor. If you can change the sensor, it's not gonna fix your problem. So make sure don't buy the sensors. Only just come to us. We are in Hounslow near Heathrow in London. You can call anytime. We can call back to you if we're not picking the phone because of the busy. So you can come anytime. Okay, thank you, best of luck, thanks.